Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming at you with a blaster box break of 2012 Press Pass Fanfare Racing. I was at my local Target today, and this was in their clearance box, so I figured I'd pick it up. So you're guaranteed an autograph or a memorabilia. So there's our pack. So let's see what we get here. Judging by the thickness here, it looks like it's a autograph, which I wouldn't mind. We've got Jeff Gordon, Mark Martin. I'll take from the back here. We have a Denny Hamlin Power Rankings. That's like a blue die cut of Young Guns Ryan Blaney. There's our Mark Martin, and our autograph is of David Gilliland. 67 out of 75. So that's our So thanks for watching, and thanks for watching.